been a week away now from taking a pretty big leap of faith as a family, and I wanted to share it with you because so many of you had prayed for our family, particularly our adoption, so many years ago now, 15 years ago, and have followed the journey of Karolina and our family, and then subsequent diagnosis of autism and profound developmental disabilities. Hard to believe she's just a few days away now from her 16th birthday, and we are going to be traveling across the country from Ohio to Austin, Texas. And the update is we are seeing a practitioner who founded and developed a method called RPM, the Rapid Prompting Method. Her name is Soma. And I really have to thank a fellow Instagram mom for reaching out, give the nudge that we needed in order to make this leap of faith. But it's also wrapped up with a lot of emotions. And I think for any parent who has carried a particular cross, whether it's special needs, autism, all parents have a cross with the challenges that our kids face. When they struggle, we feel it. But that's been our particular challenge. And what I think of when I go back over the years is all the things that we've tried for Karolina. Right away, we got her into early intervention. And then I was able to go to the Cleveland Clinic and do a multi-week workshop for ABA. And then a few years after that, we got involved with a wonderful place called Integration Treatment Centers, ITC. And we did a multi-workshop week with them as well. And we've tried holistic practitioners. We've tried functional medicine, all sorts of different diets. We've tried different therapies. At some point, you push and you never give up, but you also learn to accept where you are. And this is how it's going to be. And I would say for like the last 5 years, we've not seen tremendous progress. And as a matter of fact, some things have become more severe in terms of behavior issues. You're also making sure she has the nutrition that she needs. Does she need any meds that are going to help her? When you're limited verbally, you also want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. And there's just this constant cortisol, neurological strain out of love because you're trying to do everything to cover every base. And here we go again now with this. It's not that I'm afraid of hope. I know that God can work miracles. I've seen it. I witness it all the time. But also, I've come to accept this is our life. This is the reality. And will this be a miracle? When we see and visit Soma, will there be a breakthrough? Will this be the key that unlocks what we've been waiting for? And so I just want to ask for your prayers as we embark on this adventure. Really for Karolina, first and foremost, because this is a big trip for her. We've been using the RPM method. I am certainly no expert. I'm still a baby learner, but trying to be consistent with this in helping her communicate. Everything is getting in, but it's getting out and learning how to adapt to the world that Karolina is interacting with. That is incredibly challenging. As hard as it is for me as a parent, I know it's twice as hard for Karolina to be living it. So I just wanted to give you that update. If you have any tips for Austin, I would love to hear your input because I've never been to Austin, Texas. I've already looked up Catholic churches there. Any other tips I would love to hear. I just wanted to share what's going on. God bless you. St. Teresa bless you. Pray for us. All you saints and angels, pray for us.